to fix the server is under maintenance problem in the Honor King. Hello guys, in this video we can talk about how can you fix the problem of the Honor of King games. They are showing the maintenance starting or the maintenance has been. So how can you fix this problem or why this is you can see and when it will be started. So watch this video and do not forget to subscribe. So many guys can't play this game because of the server maintenance under the maintenance. Okay, so this means some of new update or some new features upcoming in your game. That's why server was a off or server is a stop for some time. Okay, so you just need to wait some time or maybe 2 hour or 3 hour. It was done in very few hours. It maybe take more than more 5 hours. uh, Maybe 3 or 4 hours. It will be again, you can see your problem will be fixed and you can play Honor of King. So you just need to wait, and when your game come, you just need to go to Play Store and then you search Honor of King and search here, and you can need to update your application because when maintenance coming, there are some features also coming for our game. So wait, some new features we are uh, adding in this game, so you just need to wait. Your game will be again starting in some hours.